Welcome to the VESL Podcast, where we talk about workplace communication for English language learners. Today, we're going to take a look at 10 workplace topics that are trending right now. Since we know that our final presentation is on a workplace subject, we begin our first steps by identifying 10 hot topics and finding the one that interests you. From there and throughout the course, we will develop our presentation skills, research information on your topic choice, and share what you have learned with your classmates. It's a step-by-step journey in language skills that begins here. Let's get started. Challenges in workplace communication as second language learners. Believe it or not, native speakers have their own communication problems, ranging from not listening or following instructions to saying the wrong thing or failing to persuade someone on an important idea. However, non-native speakers face many challenges too and have to make more effort in understanding and conveying messages. What special challenges and what strategies can they use to improve and move up in their jobs? Balancing work and family. This is a real concern shared by everyone and has many cultural implications. How do people do it? What can the workplace offer to help this balance? How the pandemic has changed work in your field. This is a real concern. The pandemic has had a profound effect on almost every economic sector. It's moved education from in-person to online. Take one work sector and tell us about it. The changes and please point out if there are any positives. Tell us about your job working in the United States. Do you have an interesting job? Would you like to share your occupation with the class? We'd like to know all about it. Cybersecurity, why it's important in workplace communication. More and more, we hear about cybersecurity for ourselves and for businesses. How can we protect ourselves, and what should we avoid doing to be safe? Safety on the job, preventing accidents with better ergonomics. Safety is a concern when it comes to productivity. Ergonomics is the science of preventing injuries through safer tools, posture, and efficiency. What can we do to protect ourselves from overuse injuries? Technology, will robots take our jobs? Artificial intelligence and robotics are here. In some cases, they make jobs safer by leaving the repetitive and dangerous work to a robotic tool. How will they impact our jobs for better or worse? Relieving workplace stress, what to do. Stress can wear us down and impact our health. Sleeping well, eating well, and exercising appropriately all provide benefits. But how can we do it and stick with it? The gig economy, what is it? If you've ever used Uber or Lyft, that's the gig economy. Private contractors using apps to perform services. The word gig comes from musicians who perform for a short term known as a gig. How is the gig economy doing? What are the pros and cons of working like this? Can you make money? And finally, jobs of the future. As the technology and cultural changes, so will jobs. What will some of the jobs in the future be? Which one interests you the most? Tell us about it. Thanks for joining us, everyone, on the VESL Podcast. We'll see you next time right here on our VESL channel.